Christmas season is here, and if you want to make your home look magical, these holiday essentials are all you need. Let's start with the warm fairy string lights. These bendable and cuttable lights are perfect for decorating jars, bottles, plants, gifts, and cozy corners. You can wrap them around anything and instantly create a soft, warm Christmas glow. Perfect for bedrooms, parties, and romantic winter nights. Next, these light-up reindeer decorations. You can use them indoors or outdoors, and they bring that classic Christmas charm to your home. Place them near the tree, by the fireplace, or outside on the porch. The golden lights, bows, and elegant design make them a holiday favorite. And of course, the Christmas tree is the heart of every home. This full, lush green tree gives you the perfect base to hang your ornaments, ribbons, snowflakes, and Christmas balls. Whether your theme is gold, red, silver, or mixed, this tree can make any home feel festive and beautiful. For family moments, nothing beats decorating the tree together. These memories last forever. And the warm lighting makes your home feel cozy and joyful. And for holiday parties, this beautiful red Christmas dress adds a fun and festive touch. Cute, bright, and perfect for photos, gatherings, and Christmas celebrations. From cozy lights, to glowing reindeer, to beautiful trees, these Christmas essentials bring magic, warmth, and holiday joy to every corner of your home. Tap the links below to get everything you need for the perfect Christmas setup.